Ready, start. Here, the comparison between the two scripts which the court has undertaken, albeit prima facie, shows that after the principal theme that is common to both scripts are a host of differences in the script leading to the feature film. Stop. The protagonist Mehra in the script relating to the feature film suddenly takes a diversion while proceeding to Delhi when he comes across a road sign where the division that leads to the shortcut indicates a distance to destination of 210 kilometers instead of 285 kilometers on the main highway. Stop. The scene is in a hilly terrain and the car is caught on a road full of snow. Stop. It is held up on account of a tree being uprooted and falling onto the road, causing the car to suddenly stop and bump against the snow. Stop. By contrast, in copyrighted version, the theme stands with a welcome to the protagonist in a club along with his newly wedded wife, within bracket his second wife. There is a long course of events involving the protagonist Rohit and his newly wedded wife Tanya until time that he leaves to inspect a work site in between a holiday with his wife. Stop. As he reaches the outskirts of the city, he comes across a petrol pump which is mysterious. Stop. There he meets a very scary pump attendant. The highway that he then takes to his work site is mysterious and has no traffic stop. His car suddenly goes out of order with steam rushing from somewhere under the bonnet. It does not restart. He walks on foot and finds himself in the midst of a forest. Stop. He returns back to the car. After some time, he gets out again, moves into the forest, and meet another mysterious man who ultimately takes him to a mysterious looking dwarf who has an equally mysterious looking wife. Stop. The dwarf takes him to the house of a retired High Court Chief Justice where he comes across four men from the legal profession in similar roles as in the script, is giving rise to the feature film. Stop. The four men involved behave far more mysteriously than those in the feature film script. They act and behave in a much different manner. The manner in which they accuse Rohit of a crime and mock trial him is quite different and distinctive prima facie. Stop. Rohit dies ultimately in a car accident at the same place where his first wife had died. Stop. Noticeably, in the script giving rise to the feature film, the four men of legal profession and Mehra's introduction to theme is in much different fashion. Stop. The story leading to the mock trial is developed in its two own individual way, much different from the copyrighted version. Stop. In the script that is the foundation of the feature film, there is a completely different end where Mehra is sentenced to death by the judge in the mock trial. He was made to believe that he would indeed be hanged. During the course of trial, he goes into great distress and turns violent. during the trial, and at the end of it, he utters many things about which the men from the legal profession tell him that the camera connected to a recorder has captured crimes to which Mehra has confessed during the mock trial and the incriminating facts that he had uttered. He is threatened with being put on his trial upon charges before a real court. He then tries to break away using his revolver. Mehra ultimately dies while running away, falling into a chasm, and cannot be saved despite efforts by the four men who mocked his trial.